Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error with your iMessage. So if iMessage not updating on your iPhone, so how you can fix it? So first thing, just go to the settings, just check your internet connection. So if you're using mobile data, just open mobile data, just turn it off and turn on again. And if you're using Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just turn it off and turn on again. Also, you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. Just try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And this, if you still have this issue, so just go to the general, just open software update, just wait until it will check for updates, and if you have here available updates, just download and install them on your iPhone. And if it doesn't help you, you can also just go back to the general, just scroll down, just find here shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. And if it doesn't help you, you can also just go to the general again, just scroll down, just tap on reset and just reset network settings. So, and if you still have this issue, so the latest way you can try, just might force restart on your phone. So it depends on model of iPhone you have, because I will tell you an example of iPhone with Face ID. So if you have another model, just find in Google what combination of buttons you need to press to might force restart. So on this model you just need to press on high volume buttons and on low volume button, and just keep and hold power button until you will see black screen. So after, just release your finger from power button and you need to see Apple logo. So when you will see Apple logo, it means that you successfully made forced restart. So this is the way how you can fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, write comments, click like and goodbye.